I'm Fabrice Singh, the founder of Climate Tech Venture, and we have the pleasure to start this podcast series, Hack for Net Zero. But firstly, from this year 2021, let's introduce the framework with Céline.
Hi, Fabrice. Climate change is on the top agendas all around the world. Heat waves and heavy rains becomes more frequent. Look at Australia and California in 2020. All the fires that damaged their nature and hurt their people. The sea level rise, acidification, and loss of biodiversity. So, if Paris Agreement is the milestone within these global governance issues, then carbon neutrality should be put in action. To make it operational, let's bridge from top-down strategies to practices. From where we are, do you know what will net zero commitment be like in mid-century? How deep the transformation process will be? And what changes will it have on your business and daily habits? Because every day counts, let's now open the do tank process. Here, we reverse the modus operandi. We prioritize action as time is precious. And our format will be fulfilling with experts, best practices, and tips. 100% dedicated to Hack for Net Zero. Within the global world economies, we are embedded in a continuous hackathon for net zero. By aligning the good policies and regulations we need, the science, tech, finance, and the green new industries, to choose the right mindsets with the new societal habits.
Yes, thanks, Céline. After having set the scene from this World Earth Day, let's have a look at it. This is our commitment for this special day. It is all about restoring our Earth. Today, this is one of the largest civic celebrations in the world, with quite 1 billion participants, much more than 100 countries. As climatic disasters are costing already us and to our nature many damages, we have to restore our Earth. Indeed, we need to change our lifestyle quickly. Here is a roadmap through this podcast and surely beyond.
Absolutely. We are now facing two major crises strongly linked, which are the global warming. Climate disasters are related to health crises like the COVID-19 and the increased risk of zoonosis and the ice melting acceleration. For this World Earth Day, there is a source of hope for a new society model. As different global policies are coming, we should start with preserving biodiversity and then restoring ecosystems and soils. Knowing that different brands and companies, entrepreneurs, representative assemblies, and even country leaders are committed to net zero, finding ways to set up better CO2 accounting. All of this is taking a form of convergence. This means to be net zero realistic in 2015, it takes more than one click on your favorite smartphone app. And today, we put a point of honor to restore the environment, the first and powerful carbon sink we need to preserve, at the same time scaling up the tech solutions. With that in mind, over the next few podcasts, we embark on a net zero world tour to have an inside view from commitment to practices made all around the globe. Being a part of it is evolving in the net zero era. So, tell me, what do you think about climate law which advocates to forbid massive shopping malls construction to protect soils? You can now vote below this podcast, 0 for yes and 1 for no, and win immediately your ticket for the CPC at www.carbonpricingconference.com.
Thanks, Céline. Now, this is your turn to act.